All right, hey guys, it's Mr. Fouché again. Right now we're going to go over how to find slope. And we're going to do it with two different methods, one with a graph and one with a table. So on your quizzes, you're going to have several graphs. They're going to have a lot more lines that go up and down and side to side to help you out. But I didn't want to put those on here just because I didn't want to make it so messy on here. Okay, so on each one of those graphs, you're going to have 2 points. When finding slope on a graph, you need to remember rise over run. Always start with a point that is on the left. So out of these 2 points, this one is going to be on the left. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to find the rise. And in this case, it's actually more of a fall because I'm going to go down. How many points am I going to go down? Well, I want to go down as far as I can so that it's on the same level as this second point. So in this case, I only have to go down 1 time. Okay. So our rise, right, remember we went down, but remember our rise, since we went down, is going to be negative, and we went down 1. Now our run, we're going to go over, and we're going to go all the way till we hit this point. So over 1, 2, 3 places. So our run is positive 3. Okay, the reason it's positive is because we counted to the right. So we went down 1, that's negative 1, and to the right 3, that's positive 3. So our rise was negative 1. Our run was 3. This is our slope, negative 1/3. Okay, so that's how we do it if it's a graph. Remember, rise over run. If it is in a table, a lot of times we can do this on a calculator, but you probably don't have a graphing calculator at home. I know I don't. So we're going to remember this formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is going to sound confusing at first, but I'm going to help you break it down. First thing you need to do is choose 2 x and y points. So this is going to be my first x and y point, and this is going to be my second x and y point right there. Okay, 2 x's, 2 y's that go with each other. So now I'm going to number them. This is going to be y2, this is going to be y1, this is going to be x2, and this is going to be x1. And I'm going to put them in this equation. So what did we say y2 was? Well, we said it was 13. So 13. The equation says we need to subtract, so 13 minus, what was y1? Well, we labeled y1 as 10. So right now, y2, 13, y1, 10, y2 minus y1, 13 minus 10. Now we're going to do the same thing for the bottom part. What did we say x2 was? Well, we labeled x2 as 5. And what did we say x1 was? Well, we labeled x1 as 4. x2 minus x1, 5 minus 4. So now we need to simplify. What is 13 minus 10? Well, hopefully you know that that is 3. And 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. So on the top, 13 minus 10 got us 3. On the bottom, 5 minus 4 gets us 1. And that's actually going to be our slope. Can we simplify this, though? What is 3 divided by 1? Well, it's 3. And that's going to be your answer. Okay. Thank you all, and good luck.